Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to change name color on Twitch. So if you are using Twitch application but don't know how to change name color on Twitch, then this video is for you. Watch till the end to know how to change Twitch name color. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Twitch application. And once you are inside Twitch application, you will be appear with this type of screen interface. Now choose any live stream. Here I am choosing this. And in the message box, you can see 3 dots. Beside that, click on the 3 dots and click on identity and click on your name. There you can change your name color. You can choose any color you like and the name will be automatically changed. As you can see how the name changes when I click on another color. So this is how easily you can change name color on Twitch. I hope this video is helpful for you. If so, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.